what did we do today?
We did not break the mast. That's what we didn't do today.
We did not break the mast. Absolutely.
Mast is up on the boat. First time since we've owned it.
We're not going to look like idiots the first time we show up somewhere that knows what they're doing.
No, we'll at least done it once. We still might be idiots. But
at least we know what we need to study,
well,
right?
it's good because we found a few things we need to take care of.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, this is good. Take a look.
Anywhere within 500 miles of us, we present to you the ocean. The northern nautical gods of Poseidon and Neptune is to grant upon the vessel only storms and currents that perpetuate in cycles. And so, a dirty ship must be cleansed of the old spirits that once possessed it. We must rid the former name from the ledgers of the depth and amend anew. And for that we have to say, Almighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage. I implore you in your graciousness to expunge for all time from your records and recollection the name Evergreen, which has ceased to be an entity in your kingdom. As proof thereof, we submit this ingot bearing her name. Yep. Powers and forever be purged from the sea.
I hope it comes off.
Acknowledgement of your magnificence and dispensation, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. And now for gift.
What is this? What do they got?
We all have a parting gift for our parents.
What do you have?
Compass. Wow.
The vice captain.
Another thing.
A thing?
A telescope.
Oh, no.
Yeah, right?
You close the book.
Hey, I can use a phone.
You didn't practice.
Be able to see through the telescope.
No.
Okay. Now we need to give a drink of champagne to the gods. From east to west. Wow. And then I have to read a long thing, so get ready. Almighty great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain, we require to pay homage. I implore you in your graciousness to take upon your record the recollection this worthy vessel hereafter and for all time known as Hiraya, guarding her with your mighty arm and trident to assure her a safe and rapid passage throughout her journeys within your realm. In appreciation of your magnificence and in honor of your graciousness, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. East to west. Wow.
That's west to east.
Luck already.
Crap. Dude, I don't think it goes in reverse.
Now we address the Anemoi, bringers of the winds and sons of Austrius and Eos, Boris of the north, Eros of the east, Nodos of the south, and Cyprus of the west.
Ah, the circle's after. I wasn't ready.
It's gotta be perfect, okay?
It does.
This is going to be a fail.
She's very meticulous, okay?
It's on YouTube fail.
We're the sons of Leda, Castor and Polis of the sector as sailors, saviors of swift-going ships when the storm winds rage over the ruthless seas.
Oh,
Whoa!
Nice.
that was good.
Watch over this
Good
vessel.
work. What are we writing about?
And with that, the ceremony is complete. So raise your glasses and give a hooray and hurrah for Hiraya.
Look at Jess's ball.
Jesse, shut up.
I don't want to.
Proud ball, but
Anyways, my kids are theatrical.
pretty amazing.
Actually, my eyes are stinging from my mascara and I can't stop it.
She's been waiting to do that.
Smash that is good.
Hey Jess, you're gonna get some of that on your foot for sure.
Grab all the gifts, please. Hold them up against me.
Maybe you two should go over there by the boat too.
Or get up there with them.
Ah, crap.
Awesome.
What do you think of my parents leaving for a couple years?
Kind of nervous for him, but happy for him.
He'll enjoy it.
I hope they enjoy it. He's earned it. Get away from life for a while.
Awesome. Thank you very much. All right. First off, have you been on the boat yet?
Yes, about a year or so ago.
Do you think that you can live on the boat for
3 years?
No.
No. Do you think he's crazy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Clinically crazy, maybe not, but
Have you been on the boat yet?
Do you think that you can live on the boat?
Yes.
Really?
No.
No. How do
No,
you?
but it's awesome.
Nice. How do you feel
About them leaving for a couple years.
I think it's going to be an amazing trip for them, and they're going to have the most fun time, but they're going to miss you guys.
Aw, that's sweet. Thank you. Hey, what do you think of my parents leaving?
I think it's ridiculous.
Ridiculous?
I wouldn't do it.
No?
No.
All right. Thank you very much.
Take a big gun so you can get rid of the sharks.
He's got a harpoon.
Allowed to take a gun?
No?
They can take a harpoon though. He's got a sword.
Gotta have meat.
Yeah, eat them.
All right, thank you very much.
Eat them before they eat you.
Yeah, right. What do you think of my parents leaving?
They should not,
Why?
because they're too cool. They're one of the few people I like.
What do you think?
I think good on them for getting out in the world, you know?
Have you been on the boat yet?
Yes, we have.
Only when it was a disaster of construction. I have not been on it yet.
Do you guys think you can live on the boat for 3 years?
Absolutely.
No.
Really? Depends on who. With who.
Depends on with Jess.
And I'm not going to go any more in depth to that question, other than depends on with who.
With Sam, yes. Jess, no.
Ooh, okay.
Called out Jess.
And then, any last words? In case they don't come back.
In case they don't come back. In case they don't come back in a good way.
In a good way, yeah.
Tell me where you're at so I can come. If it's that good and you don't come back, let me know. I want to see this place if it's that good.
Yeah. And when you're going down or being eaten, just eat. Toss it in like a bottle. Huck it overboard so I can remember you by that.
Nice. Cool. Thanks, guys.
I'm excited for them on this new adventure.
Just bring a Wilson volleyball.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah. Can I ask you a question too?
Yeah.
Same question. What do you think of my parents leaving for a couple years?
You're gonna have a lot of fun.
What do you think of my parents leaving on a sailboat?
I think they're gonna have so much fun, and I'm just really excited for them.
Don't think they're crazy?
Can't wait to hear about it all.
Don't think they're crazy?
No.
Wow. Okay.
No, I don't.
Kim.
Can't wait.
How do you feel about my parents leaving for
A couple years on a sailboat.
Pretty brave.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. How do you feel about him leaving on a sailboat?
It's his life dream, Craig.
That's true. You think he's crazy? You're gonna miss him?
You're gonna make her
All
cry.
right.
Thank you. Keith, have you been on the boat yet? I have been on the boat. Think you could live on it?
I don't think I can live on it for as long as he is.
No?
I think he's insane.
You think he's insane? Alright.
I wish him good luck though.
Failing.
Dad, do you need help?
Probably.
Looks pretty.
Yes, I got
He
it.
does. He's scared. Sam?
I seriously sliced my finger off the last time I did this. Ow! I'll fight you. No.
A little bit. You can make that for him. He's so scared.
Kevin, help me.
That's awesome, dude.
Plow marks it.
Oh,
That's sweet.
that's cool. Thank you. That's awesome.
Kim, can I get you in the picture?
He's gonna die.
Yeah? Just a video right now, but. Okay, let me take a picture too.
Said I don't know what kind of jalopy of a lift Trent owns. Flat tire, battery's dead, won't start, key doesn't work.
Wonder who sold him that piece of crap.
I don't know, some asshole, like, I don't know. Some jackass.
Just wondering how you're feeling.
You know, excited, nervous, scared, happy, sad, all at the same time. You know, years of planning and saving and doing what we gotta do, and finally out of here. Hopefully this thing goes well for us.
Woohoo!